Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs unit wise from the unit that you are seeing on your screens. This is the fifth time revision of NCERT Biology. I hope you are finding these MCQs helpful in your coming NEET exam preparation. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. The scutellum observed in a wheat or maize is comparable to which part of the seed in other monocotyledons? Cotyledon, endosperm, aleuron layer or plumule. Scutellum of a grain of wheat or maize is comparable to which part of the seed in other monocots? Correct answer is option A, that is cotyledon. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not a lateral meristem? Intrafascicular cambium, interfascicular cambium, phellogen, intercalary meristem. Which one of the following is not a lateral meristem? Correct answer is option D, that is intercalary meristem. Question number 3. Thorn of bougainvillea and tendril of cucurbita are example of retrogressive evolution, analogous organs, homologous organs or vestigial organ. Thorn of bougainvillea and tendril of cucurbita are example of. Correct answer is option C, that is homologous organs. Question number 4. Achondroplasia is a disease related with the defect in formation of membrane, mucosa, bone, cartilage. Achondroplasia. Correct answer is option D, that is cartilage. Question number 5. The cell junctions called tight, adhering and gap junctions are found in connective tissue, epithelial tissue, neural tissue, muscular tissue. Cell junctions are found in. Correct answer is option B, that is epithelial tissue. Question number 6. The supportive skeletal structure in the human external ears and in the nose strip are example of areolar tissue, bone, cartilage or ligament. Correct answer is option C, that is cartilage. Question number 7. Transport of food material in higher plants take place through transfusion, tracheids, sieve elements, companion cells. Correct answer is option C, that is sieve elements. Question number 8. Which one of following is monoecious? Cycas, pinus, date palm or marchantia? Which one of the following plants is monoecious? Correct answer is option B, pinus. Question number 9. Vegetative propagation in Pistia occurs by offset, runner, sucker or stolon. Vegetative propagation in Pistia occurs by. Correct answer is option A, that is offsets. Question number 10. Heartwood differs from sapwood in presence of rays and fibers, absence of vessels and parenchyma, having dead and non-conducting elements, being susceptible to pests and pathogens. Heartwood differs from sapwood in. Correct answer is option C, in having dead and non-conducting elements. Question number 11. The epithelial tissue present on the inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tube is glandular epithelium, ciliated epithelium, squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. Epithelial tissue present on the inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tube. Correct answer is option B, that is ciliated epithelium. Question number 12. Leaves become modified into spine in pea, onion, silk, opuntia. Leaves become modified into spines in Correct answer is option D, that is open shear. Question number 13. Which one gives the most valid and recent explanation for stomatal movement? Potassium influx and efflux, starch hydrolysis, guard cell photosynthesis, or transpiration? Which one gives the most valid and the most recent explanation for the stomatal movements? Correct answer is option A, potassium influx and efflux. Question number 14. The fruit is chambered, developed from inferior ovary and has seeds with succulent testa in cucumber, pomegranate, orange, guava. Correct answer is option B, pomegranate. Question number 15. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in medullary cavity of long bones, spongy bones, short bones, all of above. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in the medullary cavity of. Correct answer is option A, that is long bones. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.